So you have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to turn the shutter click sound off and on. Basically, when you have your camera open, like I have the shutter sound on, so every time I take a photo, you're going to hear that. Or even if a video, you're going to hear that. Okay? So, how do you turn that on and off? Very simple. First thing is open up your camera. To open up your camera, a shortcut is double clicking the power button. And then from here, you want the top left hand side, you want to tap on the settings. And now from here, you just want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see shutter sound. Now the thing is, take note, in some countries, I think like Japan and Korea, maybe some other countries, there's a privacy law that they cannot turn this shutter sound off, okay? But I'm in the US here, so I got this option here. So I have it on. If I turn it off, now if I go back to my camera, you're not going to hear nothing. Even if I go to photos, you're not going to hear anything. So pretty simple. Questions, issues, comment below.